and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is an everyday fall makeup look. It's super simple, super pretty, super fall appropriate. Yeah, to create this makeup look I didn't go very expensive. Most of the products were from the drugstore, so it's a very easy look you can recreate or get inspired by. I'm very excited for fall, even though it has been fall for quite a while, but you know, we've passed that part of Halloween, which I was working a lot. I worked a lot on Disney. I worked a lot on Halloween, so now we're past that time of scary things, and now we're going to the turkey, and then Santa Claus is going to town. Without any further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows, and the product I used was the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in soft brown. Yes, soft brown, and this is a great eyebrow pencil if you have a little bit more of a fuller eyebrow. To set my eyebrows, I use the Morphe Brow Setting Gel in translucent, and this is a very inexpensive brow gel, and it's very nice. It doesn't feel very stiff, it looks very natural, and I really like it, and it's about $6. So when I do my everyday makeup, I normally start with my face instead of my eyes. So for every day, I don't wear foundation because I don't need it. I'm gonna start by using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. This was a product that was really talked about a long time ago here in the beauty community that I am just trying it out, and it's the perfect everyday concealer. If you're looking for a not so expensive one, you know, this is my favorite, the Maybelline Pick Me Concealer. This is amazing, gives full coverage, but I have been loving this one lately. I already washed my face and applied my moisturizers. If you want to see a skincare routine, don't forget to comment down below or just give this video a thumbs up. So I'm going to start by taking my concealer and apply it near my eyes, chin, nose, here, anywhere I have things going on. I also like to go a little bit more like if I were going to apply foundation, because we don't want our skin to look weird. I'm going to blend it out with the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH08 or another brush, which they're kind of similar. I think they're the same, and it's the Morphe E8 brush. These are my favorite brushes to use to buff out my concealer. So I like to start by buffing out the places I don't want that much coverage in my face. If you can tell, I got the brush set from Jaclyn Hill with Morphe, and if you want to see a video of me talking about my favorite Morphe brushes, just let me know because I've got them. Now that I'm done with concealer, I'm going to set it. I'm going to use the e.l.f. finishing powder. This is an amazing drugstore powder. I don't like my face to look very powdery, so this is a in between natural and full coverage powder, and I think it's $6, and I use the color Bare Light. I'm just going to take the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH07 brush. I've been loving this brush as well. Just like to take it underneath my eyes, my nose, anywhere I apply the concealer. And then to set my whole face, I'm going to take this big Girl, and it's the Morphe X Jacqueline Hill at JH01. I'm just gonna take my powder and set my whole face. I love this brush to apply powder because I have very dry skin, and if I use a smaller brush, it's gonna make the product more intense. So by using a big brush, it just spreads it out better. Yes. Next is bronzer. I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is my favorite drugstore bronzer, and I really recommend it. And I'm going to take another Morphe X Jacqueline Hill brush. This is the GH02. I'm just going to bronze my skin. Even though it's fall, I live in California, so I still want to look a little bit tan because I'm very, not fair, but my skin tends to be lighter, so of course we're going to cover that double chin. So now I'm going to use my blush, and this is my favorite drugstore blush. It's by Essence. I don't have the top of it because my mom used it and she broke it, but this is the Essence Satin blush, and this is in the color Satin Love, and it's $3, so it's so good. I'm going to apply it by using this brush, which I have been loving. Another one from the Jacqueline Hill Morphe collection, and it's the GH06 brush. I'm just going to take a little bit of my blush and apply it. And take this brush and just blend it out. Okay, for highlighter, I'm going to take this Fenty Beauty one, and it's the Hustle Baby. They sell this mini one with a mini glass bomb, so you can get it, and it's super pretty. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to take this Morphe M510 brush. I'm going to apply it. When I don't want to go for such an intense highlighter, I like to use the Essence Pure Nude. This is my everyday highlighter. I love it, and it's the Pure Nude highlighter in number 10 being my highlight, and this is a super natural highlight for everyday. Today we're going to be a little bit extra because it's Friday today when I'm filming this. I actually want a little bit more intense. I'm going to take the Jacqueline Hill, another brush. The Morphe X Jacqueline Hill, and this is the GH09. This one's a little bit smaller than the other. It's my first time filming a makeup tutorial with my new lights, and I love it. Take a little bit on my nose. I'm taking this teeny tiny brush. I'm gonna take the highlighter and put it right here. Yes. I'm gonna use my brow bone. Okay, so I'm gonna take my C palette. I have a variation of single eyeshadows, but I'm gonna use this too. So I'm gonna take both are from the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. I'm gonna start with color caramel, and I'm just gonna apply it to my crease. I'm not gonna apply any primer to my eyelids because I want this look to look a little bit more not as intense. So by doing this, your makeup is not gonna look as intense, and it's gonna wear out throughout the day, and it's gonna look super pretty and a little bit more natural if you just put a MAC Soft Ochre on it. So I'm gonna take this brush, and it's a Morphe M532 brush, and I'm just gonna take this shade and apply it on my crease. Look at that. Ooh, girl. I'm going to take the color Sienna and take this Morphe X Jaclyn Hill and JH32, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that color and apply it on my outer corners. Now I'm gonna take a fluffy. Now I'm gonna take a fluffy. Now I'm gonna take a fluffier brush and I'm just gonna blend all that shades together. So I could just leave it like this, but I'm actually gonna add a little bit more. I'm gonna use the KKW X Mario palette and I'm gonna apply this shade, which is Armenian. I'm gonna take this Morphe M124 brush and I'm gonna apply a little bit onto my crease. Just a little bit. Want it too intense. We're gonna go over and blend. Okay, so I applied a little bit of that caramel eyeshadow on my lower lash line, and I also did my lashes out of camera because you don't want me curling my lashes and applying mascara. I just find it that little bit weird. But the mascara I used was the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. This is my favorite mascara. If you have like tiny lashes like I do, this is a great mascara because it's great at lengthening. And another thing I recommend if you have tiny lashes like me and also very not flat. If you have very straight lashes, I recommend the Shiseido eyelash curler. I'm actually gonna do a video of me talking about my ride or die tools I use, my brushes and everything, because I think that's a very informative video. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. If you want to see it, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, now I'm actually want to apply a little bit of lighter shade in my inner corners. I think that just looks very pretty, but I don't want it to be very intense, so I'm actually going to take the Essence Pure Nude highlighter and I'm going to take that same exact little brush I have been using. I'm just going to take a little bit and apply it in my inner corners for that little bling. Just a little subtle bling. This really makes your eyes pop, and I'm actually going to put a little bit over here. So right now my lips feel a little bit dry, so I'm going to apply this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Swivel Stick. This is a great chapstick if you're looking for one, and it feels like chocolate. I'm going to take this Morphe liquid lipstick in the color Peanut. I have the old packaging, but the new packaging is super cute. I'm actually going to have to go buy another one because I love this lipstick so much. I'm gonna go with the Fenty Beauty Glass Bomb in Fenty Glow, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit on top of this. Just a little bit. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down below what other types of videos you want to see. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Also, you can follow me on my other social medias, which I always leave right down here. And also you can follow me on my vlog channel, which is MTZBeauty Vlogs. Thank you love so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!